Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Dunelm Crushed Velour Draught Excluders. So on the table we have two Dunelm Crushed Velour Draught Excluders. The one in the front is in grey and the one at the back is in Peacock. It's also available in Blush, which is a kind of light pink. Okay, and these two measure the same size, so they are 85 centimeters long and 20 centimeters at the widest point, which are their ends. So taking a look at the grey one first, so giving you a look up close, and of course the hang tag that's on it, so just turning it around so that you can see the hang tag and the details that's on it. So they are of course door draft excluders, and there are some approximate dimensions or measurements on it. I've measured it. It is about 85 centimeters long, as I mentioned earlier, and 20 centimeters at the widest point, which are the ends. Okay, and of course there is the care label as well, so giving you a look at the care label up close. So they are made out of polyester, and even the filling inside of it is recycled polyester fibre. So overall very light in weight, but as you can see very large in size for a door draft excluder. So to give you some sense of the size, I'm just resting my hand on it and of course gripping it as well to give you some sense of this very plush and heavily filled or fully filled draft excluder. Okay, and to give you some sense of its response, right there, just folding it and bending it, and you can see springs back in shape. And of course giving you a look at the close-up details as well. So it does have a piped detailing or edge right throughout the edges of the draft excluder, and of course to give you some sense of the texture of this polyester crushed velour fabric. And just brushing my hand on it as well, so you can see right there how the light plays against it as well. Okay, so that's the Dunelm Crushed Velour Draught Excluder in the grey design or grey colour. Let's take a look at this one now, which is in Peacock. So once again, identical in size, so 85 centimeters long and 20 centimeters at the widest point at the end. And once again giving you a look at the label that's on it, or the hang tag. And of course the care label as well, so right there, care label up close. And just trying to get the camcorder to focus. And that's that. Okay, and so you can see the peacock or teal color of this draft excluder, and once again made out of polyester, or has this polyester crushed velour cover and inside is the recycled polyester filling or fibre, and once again giving you some sense of the responsiveness of the draught excluder. And now taking some close-up look at the details. So the piped edge, as we can see, and of course the fabric details, and just brushing or running my fingers along its surface in various directions to give you some sense of the overall material and how it responds right there, and just crushing it as well. And you can see just how springy and bouncy the draught excluder is. And let's see if I can give you a better sense of the diameter or circumference of the draught excluder. Maybe this way, so you have some sense at least of its round shape. Right there, the two Dunelm Crushed Velour Draught Excluders. And to give you a better look at them side by side, perhaps this way, so you can see the details of them both up close. So that's the Dunelm Crushed Velour Draught Excluders. Thanks for watching and happy stopping!